Glory to God the Father and Son Yeshua Mashiach. Nehemiah chapter 7. The organization of Jerusalem. After the wall had been rebuilt, and I had set up its doors, and the gatekeepers, singers and Levium had been appointed, I put my kinsman Hanani in charge of Jerusalem, along with Hananiah the commander of the citadel. For he was a faithful man, and he feared God more than most. I said to them, the gates of Jerusalem are not to be opened until the sun is hot, and while the gatekeepers are still on duty, have them shut the doors, and you put up the bars. Appoint watchmen from among those living in Jerusalem. Assign each one his time to guard, and have each one serving near his own house. The city was large and spacious, but there were few people in it, and the houses had not been rebuilt. The plan put into Nehemiah's heart. My God put it in my heart to assemble the nobles, the leaders and the people, so that they could be registered according to their genealogies. I located the record of the genealogies of those who had come up at the beginning and found written in it. Here is a list of the people of the province who had been exiled, carried off to Babel by Nebuchadnezzar king of Babel, but who later returned from exile and went up to Jerusalem and Yehudah, each to his own city. The leaders. They went with Zerubbabel, Yeshua, Nehemiah, Azariah, Rehemiah, Nakamani, Mordecai, Bilshan, Mispereth, Bigvai, Nahum and Baana. The number of men from the people of Israel. The men of Israel. Descendants of Parosh, 2,172. Descendants of Shephatiah, 372. Descendants of Arak, 652. Descendants of Pakath Moab, from the descendants of Yeshua and Joab, 2,818. Descendants of Elam, 1,254. Descendants of Zatu, 845. Descendants of Zakkai, 760. Descendants of Binnui, 648. Descendants of Bebai, 628. Descendants of Asgad, 2,322. Descendants of Adonikam, 667. Descendants of Bigvai, 2,067. Descendants of Adin, 655. Descendants of Ataiah, of Yechizkiah, 98. Descendants of Hashum, 328. Descendants of Beitzai, 324. Descendants of Hariph, 112. Descendants of Givon, 95. People of Beit Lechem and Netopha, 188. People of Anathoth, 128. People of Beit Asmaveth, 42. People of Kirjath Yearim, Kephirah and Beeroth, 743. People of Ramah and Geba, 621. People of Michmas, 122. People of Beit El and Ai, 123. People from the other Nevo, 52. People from the other Elam, 1,254. Descendants of Harim, 320. Descendants of Jericho, 345. Descendants of Lod, Hadid and Ono, 721. Descendants of Senaa, 3,930. The priests. The Kohanim. Descendants of Yedayah, of the house of Yeshua, 973. Descendants of Immer, 1,052. Descendants of Pashkor, 1,247. Descendants of Harim, 1,017. The Levites. The Levium. Descendants of Yeshua, of Kadmiel, of the descendants of Hodva, 74. The Singers. Descendants of Asaph, 148. The Gatekeepers. Descendants of Shallum, descendants of Ataiah, descendants of Talmon, descendants of Akuv, descendants of Hatita, and descendants of Shavai, 138. The Nethinims. The temple servants. Descendants of Zekah, descendants of Hasupha, descendants of Tabbaot. Descendants of Kairos, descendants of Cr, descendants of Pardon. Descendants of Levanah, descendants of Hagavah, descendants of Salmai. Descendants of Hanan, descendants of Gedal, descendants of Garkar. Descendants of Re'ayah, descendants of Retzin, descendants of Nekoda. Descendants of Gazam, descendants of Uzzah, descendants of Paseach. Descendants of Bezai, descendants of Meunim, descendants of Nephisim. Descendants of Bakbuk, descendants of Hakupha, descendants of Harhur. Descendants of Batslit, descendants of Mekhida, descendants of Harsha. Descendants of Barkos, descendants of Sisera, descendants of Temak. Descendants of Netziach, and descendants of Hatipha. The descendants of Shelomo's servants. Descendants of Satai, descendants of Seferet, descendants of Perida. Descendants of Ya'ala, descendants of Darkon, descendants of Gedal. Descendants of Shephatiah, descendants of Hattil, descendants of Pokereth Hatzevaim, and descendants of Ammon. All the temple servants and the descendants of Shlomo's servants numbered 392. The men of Israel. The following went up from Tel Melach, Tel Harsha, Keruv, Adon and Immer, but they could not state which father's clan they and their children belonged to, so it was not clear whether they were from Israel. Descendants of Delaiah, descendants of Toviah, and descendants of Nekoda, 642. The priests. And of the Kohanim. Descendants of Haviah, descendants of Hakots, and descendants of Barzillai, who took a wife from the daughters of Barzillai the Gileadi and was named after them. These tried to locate the genealogical records, but they weren't found. Therefore they were considered defiled and were not allowed to serve as Kohanim. The Tirshata told them not to eat any of the especially holy food until a Kohen appeared who could consult the Urim and Thummim. The whole congregation, the entire assembly, numbered 42,360, not including their male and female slaves, of whom there were 7,337. They also had 245 male and female singers. Their horses numbered 736, their mules 245. Their camels 435, and the donkeys 6,720. Gifts of the remnants of the work. Some from among the heads of fathers' clans made contributions for the work. The Tirshata contributed to the treasury 1,000 gold darkmonim, 21 pounds, 50 basins and 530 tunics for the Kohanim. Some of the heads of fathers' clans gave into the treasury for the work 20,000 gold darkmonim, 420 pounds, and 2,200 silver manim, 1 tons. The rest of the people gave 20,000 gold drachmanim, 2,000 silver manim, about 1 tons, and 67 tunics for the Kohanim. So the Kohanim, the Levium, the gatekeepers, the singers, some of the people, the temple's servants and all Israel lived in their towns. When the 7th month arrived, after the people of Israel had resettled in their towns.